Hello everyone, I am Sheikh Muhammad Arif and I have done the project where the LLM is integrated into the AWS CLI. Uh, like, what is the reason behind this project? The reason behind is I just wanted to make AWS CLI more user friendly using natural language. With this tool, anyone can ask things like list my S3 buckets, and what's surprising is you will get an actual command, and also it is executed for you as well. So let's walk through the demo of this. Okay, let me run the Python file main.py. Okay, it is asking for you the request. uh, Let us write list my s3 buckets. It is a simple English prompt, and see, it is generated the actual prompt for the listing s3 buckets, and you got the output. Like, we have created this bucket on this date and at this timestamp, and the bucket name is demo CLI. Not only this, we can create a bucket Arif Sheikh Muhammad. Okay, let's see. Like, it is generated the actual prompt, and surprising is it is created the bucket. Let's see. List my s3 buckets now. Let's see, it is added, whether it is added or not. Yeah, it is added. I'll show you my AWS account as well. So this is a AWS S3 section. It just refreshed. Yeah, here we go. We have the S3 buckets. Like, we just used the natural language to make this happen. I'll show you how it works. Let me close. Yes, yeah, this is the actual working of the project. This image is little bit clumsy. Let me show you another image. Yeah, here we have an user where the user interact in the terminal. He just used the natural language, create an s3 bucket. Gemini API which takes this input and generate a prompt, and using the Python automation we integrated the actual AWS account to this Gemini API, so it will do uh, the command prompting for you as well. Like, why it's useful? This project helps bridge the gap between non-technical users and cloud automation, and you can see the LLMs make AWS services more accessible, and we are not wasting the time. I think this demo is useful, and you can find the full code on GitHub.